Welcome to our tutorial on replacing zeros with blank cells in Excel. We'll explore two efficient methods, using Excel's Find and Replace function for a manual approach and employing a VBA macro for an automated solution to clean up your data quickly. Let's start with the Find and Replace method, which is a user-friendly way to replace zeros with blanks in your selected range without writing any code. To begin, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on Find and select under the Editing group, and then choose the Replace option to open the Find and Replace dialog box, which is where we'll set up our search criteria. In the Find and Replace dialog box, enter the number 0 in the Find What field to specify that we're looking for cells containing zeros. Then, enter a space character in the Replace With field to indicate that we want to replace zeros with blank spaces. Click on the Options button to reveal additional settings. With the Advanced Options expanded, check the Match Entire Cell Contents checkbox to ensure that only cells containing exactly 0 are replaced. This step prevents partial matches from being altered. Click the Replace All button to execute the replacement across the entire selection. After clicking Replace All, a dialog box will appear, indicating the number of cells that have been replaced. Review this number to confirm that the process has been applied to the correct amount of cells in your selection. Once you've verified the number of replacements, click OK to dismiss the message box. You should now see that all cells containing 0 values have been replaced with blank spaces in your worksheet. For those who prefer an automated approach or need to perform this task frequently, we can write a VBA macro to replace zeros with blanks in the selected range of cells, saving you time and effort. To start with the VBA macro method, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Developer tab. If you don't see this tab, you may need to enable it via Excel's options. Click on Visual Basic, or use the shortcut Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor, where we'll write our macro. In the VBA editor, click Insert in the menu and then select Module to create a new module. This module will serve as the container for our VBA code that performs the replacement task. Paste the provided VBA code into the code window of the new module. This code will prompt you to select a range of cells and then iterate through each cell in that range, replacing any zeros with blank cells. After pasting the code, save your work by clicking File, and then Save in the VBA editor. Return to your Excel worksheet and run the macro by pressing the Run button or by assigning it to a button or shortcut. When you run the macro, an input box will prompt you to select a range of cells where you want to replace zeros with blanks. Click OK after making your selection to proceed with the operation. After running the macro, you'll immediately see the results in your worksheet. All the zeros within your selected range should now be replaced with blank cells, giving you a cleaner dataset. Congratulations! You've successfully learned two methods to replace zeros with blank cells in Excel, enhancing your ability to clean up and prepare your data for analysis or presentation. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to improve your data handling skills.